Now we're going to talk about Ketu's transit for Virgo. For Virgo, during Gochar transit, Ketu is in the 7th house. Virgo, you'll achieve a rise in status, rise in power, authority and prestige. Virgo, this particular time, since July 2014 till January 2016, there will be a sudden financial gain, sudden professional prosperity. But sometimes mind can be agitated, mind can be very restless due to family reasons, due to marriage, relationship or due to children. Virgo, you got to watch your attitude. Try not to be too temperamental or stubborn. You have to be very careful about your actions and conduct. Make sure, Virgo, you must promise. If you promise somebody, try to keep up your promise. If you don't, you can end up spoiling your relationship and you can face a huge loss. Virgo, please try not to invest ego in every decision you make. So refrain investing ego in your professional conduct as well as in your personal relationship. You will face few fluctuations in your marriage relationship. Sometimes relationship can be sour. You have to invest passion, not aggression. Please beware of deception. If you're investing some money in a money-making schemes or risky venture. Virgo, you got to watch your words. So, task for Virgo, which can be very helpful. Time to time, donate bananas, mixed color blanket and money to a religious priest 7 times. The chanting which can offer you protection. Please do this chanting for Virgo. Vakartundek Damastraye Kalim Harim Sharim Gam Ganpate Varvarde Sarvjanme Vashmanaye Swaha. Vakartundek Damastraye Kalim Harim Sharim Gam Ganpate Varvarde Sarvjanme Vashmanaye Swaha. Do this chanting. This is a very finest chanting. It will help you quite a lot, especially if you're in the middle of a conflict or argument. Thanks for watching my Ketu's transit for each and every sign as well as Ketu's elementary information in Indian astrology. If you are new to my channel, Prakash Astrologer, then please do subscribe for more contents, including monthly horoscope, 2015's yearly horoscopes. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also if you have any comments, suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me a comment below. I'll be more than happy to respond. But at the same time, I'd like to request you, try to become a subscriber. If you become a subscriber, then you can claim a free consultation, introductory consultation for yourself and for your whole family. If you make your whole family subscriber, then whole family can take a free consultation, introductory consultation from me. I'll be more than happy to take care of you and share with a lot of astrological information with you. You have any suggestions about our program or you have any questions about yourself regarding your consultation questions, why don't you become a subscriber and send me an email info@prakashastrologer.com. Please do become subscriber, then send me an email. I'll be more than happy to entertain you or offer you a private consultation or introductory consultation for yourself and the whole family. If the whole family can become a subscriber, I can take care of the whole family. So first become a subscriber, send me an email. I'm looking forward for your email. I'll be back with a lot more contents. Take care. Bye-bye.